Okay, let's get into it. Hamstring stretch to start off with. Actually, let's just start off with, let's just move the legs and let's just roll the shoulders. Let's roll the shoulders first. I just make this up as I go. That's what you do. Shake the arms out. Okay, hamstring stretch. I'm going to go sideways. Put your weight on your back leg, or whichever leg, doesn't matter, one leg. This one is bent. This one, toe up. Hardly any weight on this one. As you stretch, you push your hip backwards or push your glute backwards. So weight is mainly on this one, right? The one at the back. Pull that toe up. If you're here and you can feel that in your hamstring, that's fine, just stay there, okay? If you want to, you can lean down further if you need to, but just do what's right for you. If you need something to balance with, have a chair. Sorry, that's my chair. Okay, coming up and swapping sides. So bending the leg, weights on this one. Hardly any weight on this, you should be able to do this, okay? And then push your bottom away. Really flexing that toe, like flexing the feet, so you're really feeling it down the back here, yeah? Stay here, chair, or come forward if you want, okay? Everybody's different, so just do what's right for you, yeah? Keep your back nice and strong. Okay, excellent. Coming up here, shake the legs out again. All right, if you've got a wall, we're gonna lean against the wall. If you haven't got a wall, well, I'll show you how you do this without the wall. But anyway, if you've got something to lean against, just put the leg back here, and we're doing a calf stretch, standing calf stretch. If you haven't, what you're going to do is a big step backwards, not too big, because you've got to make sure that heel's down, and then you lean forward. I like to do it this way. I like to sort of feel like I'm pushing my arms forward, but I'm really feeling that in my calf. Keep the heel down. This one's nice and bent. So remember, you can be against a wall. It's a bit easier against the wall. Let's swap legs. So other side, feet shoulder width apart, comes back, not too far back, okay? Heels down. I like to do that, arms forward and lean forward. So if you're fairly new to stretching, or even if you just want to, it's easier, it's against a wall. You just lean against a wall. So really should feel it down this leg, down the bottom part of that leg. We're going to do a thigh stretch. So if you've got a chair, so just imagine that's my chair, okay? You're going to hold onto the chair, bring the leg up, and then I'm going to go this way so you can see. You keep the knees together. If you haven't got the chair and your balance is good, obviously just go here or wherever you feel is right for you. But keep the knees together, okay? Don't let the knee come out here. Keep them together. Pull that foot in at the back, and then this hip, push it forward to increase the stretch. You don't have to push it forward, but you'll feel the stretch increase if you do that. Yeah, I'm still using the chair. So remember, you can be balancing here. Arms out helps you balance. Okay, let's go the other leg. I've got to make sure I don't bang myself. I'm going to go this way. So, lifting it up, chest nice and high. Pull the foot in towards your bottom. I'm going to show you sideways this time. Knees together. So to increase the stretch, I'm going to pull that foot in towards my bottom more. Keeping the knees fairly close together, and then I get this hip and I push the hip forward. So I'm really squeezing in my glutes here and pushing forward. This is a really good one to do if you've done some cardio. These last ones, definitely if you've done cardio, do this. Okay, shake the legs out, arms forward. Stretching out the back. So you're pushing forward, stretching out the back. I think we're going to go a little bit over 5 minutes, but that's okay, because I talked a bit at the start. So sucking in the belly. Okay, we're going to do a lower back stretch. So I'm going to show it. Here we're going to roll, get your chin down, roll down your spine, bend your knees. Use your hands here. Hands are resting here. We're just stretching out the lower back here. So let your head drop. Keep the knees bent. I'm resting weight on here. Now, if you're more advanced and you think, oh yeah, that's too easy, come down to the floor like this, but keep the knees a little bit bent and stretching out the lower spine. So you've got two options there. And then rolling back up, roll, 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 roll. Okay, just a couple of really quick stretches here. So we're not too far over 5 minutes. Comes across, doing a shoulder stretch. We're not going to stay here for long. And then other arm comes across to chest. Bring it in. Slight bend in the knees. A little bit of grip if you like. Okay, tricep comes up. Push it down. Push this bit down. Okay, as we do this, we're going to do a side stretch at the same time. So we're doing a tricep stretch. We're going to have our feet shoulder width apart. We're going to lean to the side. So we're going to increase it, having a little side stretch at the same time. Bit of multitasking. Okay, other side. Reach up, down. Push the elbow down. Tricep stretch. So it means you should be feeling it in there. And then we're going to lean away. So increasing the stretch down the side of the body. Keep your head up. Well, I mean, don't go like this. Keep your eye gaze forward. Okay, nearly there. Roll the shoulders. Because I've got to keep to this 5 minutes. It's hard for me. Okay, arms to the front, then bring them to the back. Feet shoulder width apart. Get your shoulders. Push them forward, push them back. So chest stretch. Really big chest stretch. Now you're really, really reaching back as far as you can to make it a bit harder. You look up a little bit. Ooh, that's nice. Feel that? Okay, that'll do us for today. So a bit of a standing stretch to finish off from your workouts. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you later, and take care of yourself. Bye-bye. Cool. Music up.